make a delicious chicken salad, we will need some small pieces of boneless chicken, 5 to 10 cloves of garlic, 1 small ginger, then 2 to 3 green chilies, 1 small coriander, then 1 fresh lemon, 1 sliced onion, and salt according to your taste. To marinate the chicken, we have to make a fine mixture of garlic, ginger, chilies, coriander, lemon, and the onion. So we have made one fine mixture of our all the ingredients. Now we are going to marinate our chicken. So we have done the marination. Now we will keep our chicken in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. We are going to heat our banana leaves and make it more flexible so that we can easily bind our chicken into the banana leaves. Now we are going to pack our chicken on the banana leaves. Already placed our packed chicken onto the kadhai. Now we are going to steam them for 30 minutes. So this is the final product of our chicken salad, but we are going to make a twist on this. We will again smoke half of this chicken on the low flame, and we will mix the smoked chicken with that of the steamed chicken, and we will make the salad in that way. Now we are going to smoke half of our chicken on very low flame like this. Now we will mix both the steamed and smoked chicken together with a little bit of apple cider vinegar. So this is our final product. Our chicken is ready. Go grab it.